Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change your wallpaper on phone with ColorOS. To do this, you simply need to hold down your finger being on main page. You will see wallpapers, click it. Then you go to the album and you'll have options from your gallery. I want to take this monkey. Apply to. You have options: lock screen, home screen, both, or carousel wallpapers. I want it to be on my lock screen. Now it's done. Check it. And you see, you change your wallpaper. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. See you next time.